Hi, I'm Katherine. This is Rebekka. We're with Nutshell, and today we're going to be talking about CRM. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is business software that helps sales teams manage their customer communications, focus on the most valuable opportunities, and provide the best customer experience throughout the entire buying process. So what does a CRM actually do? With a modern CRM platform, you can, for starters, consolidate all of your data in one central location. CRM puts your customer contacts, communication history, and buying history in one place so that everyone at your company can access any information they need from one platform. Secondly, you can sell more, faster. CRM automates the repetitive admin tasks so your team can spend less time on manual data entry and more time actually selling. With a CRM, you can also build a standardized sales process, which shortens your sales cycles by showing your reps exactly what they need to do at each stage to keep their deals moving forward. Thirdly, with CRM, you stay focused on your customers. By having access to information on customer interest and behavior, selling becomes a more personalized experience. Sales reps can anticipate their customers' needs before they reach out, or quickly bring in their support or marketing teams to give buyers the right information at the right time. Companies often begin their CRM search when their customer communications start to get messy, and by then they've already lost sales due to disorganization. Our advice: don't let it get to that point. As soon as your business has a sales team in place, it's time to look for a CRM. For more pro tips on CRM and sales, subscribe to our YouTube channel or swing by nutshell.com/blog. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Rebekka.